In 1868, Christopher Latham Sholes unveiled the first practical typewriter, a device that transformed writing forever. Despite countless failures and initial ridicule, Sholes persisted, leading to the creation of the QWERTY keyboard to reduce jamming. This invention empowered clerical work, revolutionizing communication in offices across America. Remarkably, it even played a pivotal role in women's employment, encouraging their participation in the workforce. As the typewriter evolved through the 20th century, advancements included electric models and portable versions, enhancing accessibility. Today, although digital communication reigns, the typewriter's legacy endures, reminding us of the profound influence of innovation on society.